This video is about the lantern using patented CBE technology. What is patented CBE lantern technology? And what are the advantages over ordinary emergency lamp? The abbreviation of CBE means Convenient Brightness Emergency. Let us think about ordinary emergency. An ordinary emergency lantern cannot control brightness and it works few hours. This is very disturbance to user while sleeping. That time user need only very small light and long backup time. The patented CBE technology lantern solves the problems. User can control its brightness linear level, from 0 to full bright power. If the user select lower convenient bright, at sleeping time, and it will work over one day. It result less power consumption and longer backup time. The main light source used as LED lamps. The dual 5 watts LED and it can works about 50,000 hours, that means life near 51 times than ordinary fluorescent